Question number 16. Two power supplies, one of constant EMF 24 volt, another of variable EMF P. Okay, so this value is not given. Are connected to two resistors as shown. Okay, both power supplies have negligible internal resistance. There is no internal resistance here. Okay, what is the magnitude of P for the reading on the ammeter to be 0? Okay, now what we will do is, let us analyze it like this. Let me call this point as A and B, this point as C and D. So if no current has to pass, then the potential across AB should be equal to potential across CD. So VAB should be equal to VCD. This is what I need. Okay, so first what we'll do is we'll find out VAB. Now to find out VAB, we need to find what is the current here, because the potential VAB is nothing but I into R, right? So find out the current. This should be 24 divided by 9 plus 3, which is 12, should be equal to 2 ampere. Why didn't I consider here? Because he already says that the current here is 0. Ammeter shows 0 current. So current does not pass through it. I need to only consider this one. It's as if cutting this circuit here, right? Okay. So 2 ampere is the current passing here. The potential difference across this is nothing but 2 into 3, Ohm's law, which should be equal to 6 volt. So 6 volt is the voltage drop here. So which should also be equal to 6 volt. Thus the magnitude to be 0. So this should be equal to 0 here. So sorry, this should be equal to 6 volt over here. The potential difference here should be 6 volt. Only then the current will be 0 here. Answer is B.